Pretty exciting day. The first 3 Thursdays in June, we are partnered with LPS Special Education bunch to have kids come out here in their summertime program to enjoy the splash pad. It's so much fun just watching their faces and seeing kids being involved in some water activities that they may never been able to be able to participate in before.
One day a week for middle school, high school, and elementary, they get to come out to the splash pad. Everyone has a good time at the splash pad. In about 30 minutes, you'll see a difference when we have to leave because they don't want to leave. So everyone loves coming. It's very calming. A lot of the kids that went to elementary school together, maybe they're at separate middle schools, so it's a chance for them to get together because we're combining 2 or 3 different schools together, so they get to meet with their other friends.
As soon as they come in, kids are excited. Teachers are excited to see them out here. You know, they give some activity instead of sitting in their classroom during the summertime program they have, and get them out and socialize. And it's been nothing but great success for the kids in LPS, and it's been great for us in the city of Lawton as well too, to partner with them to see another portion that we can do to help kids out.
A lot of our kids, this is their summer activity. They don't get out of their house very much, so for those kids, it's really a big deal. We really appreciate the City of Lawton giving this opportunity to our kids, an opportunity they wouldn't have if Lawton didn't open this up for us. And once our parents see how much fun their kids have, our hope is that they will be able to bring them out, make those connections this summer, and get them out again.
Seeing the smiles on the kids' faces and listening to them laugh and listening to the give, that's the best part. I'm just excited that, you know, we as a City of Lawton can partner with LPS and make this happen, because this is what it's about, you know, about the kids.